On, guys. I don't know if it's a flatty. No, it's a trout. I side hooked them. That's a side hook trout right there, guys. Hang on, buddy. Right there. A side hook trout. Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you from Port Mansfield, Texas. Thank you for joining us today. What's in store? We're on the kayak. I'm with my partner in crime, Tony. We have poles in the water. I got a limit of we want to do good. I'm using live shrimp, tandem rig. What else, guys? Beautiful conditions right here, as you can see. Minimal seaweed. Moreno Anglers is on point. He is doing his thing. I saw Wesley out there. Good luck, Wesley. So yeah, we got some poles in the water. Let's go ahead and get to work, guys. Got a fish on right here, guys. Right into the sun. All right. Once again, might be the size. Right there, guys. Right there. We're gonna keep on fishing, guys. Fish on, guys. Port Mansfield, Texas. Got a fish here in Port Mansfield, Texas, guys. Trout. And this one's got a lot of shoulders. Got a lot of shoulder right here. Well, it's right here, guys. Right there. Okay, let me go ahead and continue and see how what's the size on this. Fish on, anglers. I got a bite right here. Oh, it's the trout right there. All right, it's gotta be a keeper right there, guys. Keeper trout. All right. We'll go ahead and put it on the stringer, and then we'll measure it. Okay. Very good hook set. Right there. Got the posts all over the place here. Yeah, about 19 inches, guys. Right there, 19 inches. Let's keep going, guys. We got a fish on right here. It's an undersized trout for sure. Very undersized. Fish on over here, guys. Here in Port Mansfield, Texas. This was pulling drag, guys. If it's a trout, it's gotta be a gator trout. Hang on. Let's be a red. Let's be a red. Look at that drag for a trout. Oh no. That's gotta be a red right there. Yeah, that's a red right there for sure. And I don't have an oversized tag. I haven't been able to go to, look at that, man. Wow. And I have it at max drag right there. I already have the limit of trout, so we're looking for a limit of red also. Man, look at that. Get closer, come on. We got my partner in crime, Tony. We got Moreno anglers on this side. We got Wesley on the boat. Yeah, it's a red right there. Please don't let it be a bull red. Nope, not under the boat, not under the boat. Man, I had him there, Yeah, man, it's gonna be cutting it kind of close. Yes. Oh wait, hang on. Oh no, man, this one's got to go back. It's got an injury. It's got an injury, guys. This one has seen better days. Tony. Right there, anglers. Look at, hang on, guys. This poor guy has his gills sticking out. Look at that. Right there. Poor guy. You gotta cut this guy loose. Hang on, man. Ah, man. That red wasn't going anywhere. Go, buddy. You get a free pass. Yes, that was a red. That was a bull red right there, guys. One, I can't take it. I don't have a tag. Two, it had an injury right there. So yeah, we don't want to take those. Let's go ahead and continue, guys. Back-to-back bull reds here in the Port Mansfield, Texas. small trout right here. Hang on, buddy. Well, not like I wanted to let it go, but nonetheless, small trout right here. No, pues como está jalando el de este,